Although Class comes with many built-in reports that you can use, it also has a separate facility called Quick Reports, which allows you to create new report layouts suited to your needs. Reports can be produced to include a whole range of information based on students, enrolments, groups, agents, accommodation, teachers, and so on. Created by yourselves, they can then be output to Excel. Reports are divided into type and can also be assigned permissions. And one of the most popular ones is a student arrivals list, which you might produce on a Friday afternoon or on a Monday morning. The report can be owned by a particular person and is linked to the permissions held against that user or multiple users. Public means other users can amend the criteria and run this report. Public read-only means other users can run this report but not amend the criteria. And private means only the owner can amend and run the report. You give your report a name and you can also assign it a code. So an example could be using your own initials. And then you can select the school that you wish to report on. Choosing your date filter. So for arrivals, it would be starting, and for departures, it would be finished. And then in the middle here, you would add the required fields that you want to see in the report by clicking on Add Item, where a huge range of fields from within Class can be included. If you'd like the field to be included in both the result and the Excel spreadsheet, you ensure that this Include box is ticked. You can also be specific with your selected fields. So if you only need to see one particular group, you would select them from here. So if I click on Group Name, these are all the groups. So if you only wanted to see AA Japan, click on Set, then Close, and it will only show you AA Japan as the group. Once the report has then been created, in principle, you simply come into this report and you change the dates at the top whenever you run it. The results are then exported to Class and also to Excel. From within the Quick Report, you can also send SMS text messages directly from Class to your students, agents, host families, teachers and groups. You could create a standard document for each of the students, which can then either be printed or automatically emailed individually or in batch. So for example, your student leaving certificates. Once you've created a report, you can easily copy it if you are creating a similar version. Other popular reports include student cards, when visas are due to expire, payments due, students present by course, and the progress of your students.